Hello everybody, myself Mahesh Talpada. We are here to learn lesson number 5, Revolutionaries of India. It is of standard 8th, subject social science semester 2. Previously we have seen third lesson. Now today we are going to learn about the revolutionaries of India. Revolutionaries we can understand by the word that it refers to the freedom fighters, those who have done revolution to set India free from the Britishers. Many known and unknown martyrs, freedom fighters, they have sacrificed their life for the betterment of our nation and for the welfare of the people of India. So let us learn this lesson through important points. Lesson number 5, Revolutionaries of India. In that, see the first point. Many known and unknown martyrs fought and gave up their during India's freedom struggle. The brave men and women who revolted against the British government are known as revolutionaries of India. So first of all, we'll understand that what are martyrs or what is revolutionaries of India. So the people in the 19th century, those who have revolted, those who opposed the British government in their administrative system, they are the revolutionaries or those who have sacrificed their life for the purpose of freedom of India. They are martyrs. So about them we are going to learn. So first of all, it is clear in our mind that what are revolutionaries of India. Revolutionaries are the people, those who revolted against the British government to set India free from them. They are the revolutionaries of India. In that, the first revolutionary was Vasudev Balwant Phadke, was the pioneer of revolutionary movement in India. He worked in Pune, but he left his job because of the unjust and partial approach of the British government irritated him very much. In those times, the people who work, those who are capable of doing good job, they were not treated properly by the British government. And Vasudev Balwant Phadke was one of the example of that. He was educated, he was serving the British government, but the rules of British government for the Indian workers were very average. They harass them, they give overload work to them, and hence Vasudev Phadke did not like that and he gave up his job because of the partial approach. They were not equal to all the workers. जो ब्रिटिश के लिए ब्रिटिश के लोग काम करते थे, उन्हें ज़्यादा पैसे देना, कम काम करवाना, ये ऐसी पॉलिसी उनके पास होती थी, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के पास, जो इंडियंस को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती थी. सो ही टुक अ vow of not applying tilak on his forehead and not cutting his hair until he had freed India from the clutches of ब्रिटिश. तो तभी उन्होंने ये प्रतिज्ञा की थी कि मैं अपने बाल भी नहीं कटवाऊंगा और हिंदू लोग जो तिलक करते हैं वो भी नहीं करूंगा जब तक मैं ब्रिटिशर्स से अपने देश को आज़ादी नहीं दिलाता. Vasudev Phadke formed a secret group of armed revolutionaries called Ramoshi to fight against the British. There was a secret group of Vasudev Phadke, and the name of that secret group was Ramoshi. In that group, the people gathered and they had only one aim, to set India free from the Britishers. He trained young men to attack British camps and rob the government treasury and use guns and other weapons. The British government was desperate to arrest him at any cost, as he was a very danger person for the British government. The Britishers wanted to catch him and they wanted to put him in jail, or they wanted him in anyhow, dead or alive. So they were very desperate. So this was the first example of the revolutionaries Vasudev Balwant Phadke. I hope you have understood. Now let us see the second one, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. विनायक दामोदर सावरकर, जिसे हम वीर सावरकर के नाम से भी जानते हैं. विनायक दामोदर सावरकर was born on 28th May 1883 in Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. Do remember this. वीर सावरकर का जन्म कहाँ हुआ था, कौन सी डेट पे हुआ था. He had revolutionary ideas since childhood. He established an organization known as Mitra Mela, which was later known as Abhinav Bharat. The main objective of this organization was to free India from the British rule with the help of armed revolt. Means he was ready to fight against the British government, against the British corps or officers. He wanted to loot them, kill them, and anyhow he was so desperate to set India free from the British people. So let us see some more about him. Veer Savarkar was the first one to set fire to foreign clothes. He rejected to wear foreign clothes. He wrote a book titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. It was banned even before it was published because it was a spark that the Indian people need. और ब्रिटिशर्स ये जानते थे कि अगर ये बुक लॉन्च हो गई और सभी ने इसे पढ़ा तो सभी लोग हमारे खिलाफ हो जाएंगे. इसीलिए ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने वो बुक पब्लिश ही नहीं होने दी, उनकी कॉपी बाहर मार्केट में बेचने ही नहीं दी. He was arrested in 1910 for his association with revolutionary group Indian House. Savarkar was sentenced to 2 life terms, 50 years, and was sent to cellular jail on the Andaman Nicobar Islands. This was also known as Kalapani, the prison which is in Andaman Nicobar Island, जहाँ से कोई बाहर नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि वो समंदर के बीच में है और वहीं से कोई बाहर नहीं आ सकता, इसलिए उसे काला पानी भी कहा जाता है. सावरकर died later due to poor health. He was kept under house arrest in Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra. Savarkar died on 26th February 1960. Now the third one is Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose, who was born on 3rd December 1889 in Habibpur village of मिदनापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन बंगाल. खुदीराम बोस जो बंगाल के थे, उनका जन्म 3 दिसंबर 1889 को हुआ था. He was born in Habibpur village in Midnapur district of Bengal. He was raised by a teacher named Satyen Babu, who inspired him to be revolutionary. Khudiram Bose used to dive in the Ganga river and topple boats carrying salt. In this way, he used to break the unjust salt law. गांधी जी ने वो सत्याग्रह किया उसके कई साल पहले. खुदीराम बोस एक ऐसे आदमी थे कि जब वो ब्रिटिशर्स ओशन में से सॉल्ट बना के ले जाते थे, उस टाइम पे गंगा रिवर में खुद जंप करके डाइव करके वो जाते थे और वहीं से वो सॉल्ट लेके आते थे इन द शिप्स. सो इन दैट वे ही यूज्ड टू revolt against the Britishers. On 13th April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on Judge Kingsford's horse carriage in an attempt to kill him. However, the judge survived the attack, but his wife and lawyer Kennedy's daughter died in the attack. Khudiram Bose was arrested and hanged for this crime. Praful Chaki shot himself before the British could arrest him. There was so much hate for the British एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम कि वो उनके अंडर मरना भी नहीं चाहते थे। और खुदीराम बोस एक ऐसा एग्जांपल है कि जब वो अटैक में पकड़े गए तो उससे पहले कि वो ब्रिटिशर्स कोई उन पर गोली चलाए, वो खुद ही अपने ऊपर गोली चला के उनकी डेथ उन्होंने कर दी थी। लेट अस सी वन मोर, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल. Ram Prasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur in United Province, Uttar Pradesh in 1897 CE. He was the first kingpin in the Kakori train conspiracy, in which the revolutionaries hatched a plan to rob a train carrying treasure. He was sentenced to death for this crime. राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, जिनका जन्म 1897 के ईयर उत्तर प्रदेश में शाहजहानपुर में हुआ था. ही वॉज वन ऑफ द पर्सन जिन्होंने एक खजाने से भरी ट्रेन को लूटने में अपना काफ़ी योगदान दिया था ब्रिटिशर्स की. एंड इन दैट केस ही वॉज सेंटेंस्ड टू डेथ बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नर. Bismil was his pen name. He translated English and Bengali books. His poem inspired patriotic fervor amongst the Indian. In that conspiracy, in that scandal of looting the treasure train, he was caught. He was not only that limited, but he also wrote books and poems that inspired Indian people. So it was a huge contribution from his side. So up to here we'll see in this part. I hope you must have understood the details of this lesson, Revolutionaries of India, and thank you for watching the whole video, and do stay tuned for the second part.